All right, so we have established that prime numbers, and remember, I put the 1 in me, have two factors, 1 and the number itself. So the only way to make, and don't forget, if you forgot what a factor is, it's sitting on the top of our multiplying two digit by three digit numbers. Factor times factor equals product. So remember, the factors are the pieces of a multiplication problem. So the only way to make some of these numbers is 1 times the number itself. You can't multiply any other whole numbers and get 3. You can't multiply any other whole numbers and get 5. You can't multiply any other whole numbers and get 7. You can't multiply any other whole numbers and get 13. The only way to make those is 1 times 3, 3 times 1, 1 times 5, 5 times 1, 1 times 7, 7 times 1, 1 times 13, 13 times 1. All right, so that's prime numbers. Now, we also have something called composite numbers. All right, so composite numbers keep on writing numbers small because the main thing you need to know are prime and composite. Composite numbers are a little different. All composite numbers have more than two factors. All right, so remember, prime numbers have only two factors. Composite numbers, that's right, actually have more than two factors. Sometimes I forget to write the S. Have more than two factors. So prime numbers have only two factors. Composite numbers have more than two factors. All right? Have more than two factors. So, for example, some composite numbers are like, let's say 4. You can make 4 with 1 times 4 or with 2 times 2. All right? Another example would be 6. You can make 6 with 1 times 6, or you can make it with 2 times 3. Another example would be 9. We can make 9 with 1 times 9, or with 3 times 3. So you can see it's not all even numbers, but do realize that every even number in the entire universe besides 2 is composite. All right? Let me just do one more for fun. 1 times 25, or let's just say 5 times 5, right? That gives us all of our ways to make 25. So here are some examples of composite numbers. They have more than two factors. 4 has 3 factors, 1, 2, and 4. 6 has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3, and 6. 9 has 3 factors, 1, 3, and 9. 25 has 4 factors, 1, 5, or 3 factors, sorry, 1, 5, and 25. All right. So these are composite numbers. Composite numbers have more than two factors. All right. Now, there are some special numbers. All right. Special numbers that are neither prime nor composite. All right. Special numbers. Special numbers. Not prime nor composite. Nor is like or with a not combined. Nor. Not prime nor composite. You might see that in the way like old people or people from like the olden times talk. Not old people. Usually even old people don't talk like that. But like pirates talk like that. Colonists would have talked like that. All right, so let's check it out. Some special numbers. There's two special numbers: 0 and 1. All right, because 0 has no factors. 0 is just 0. You don't get 0 by multiplying something. You get 0 because there are no groups, right? When you multiply to something times 0, you're actually saying there's no groups. So, and then 1. 1 has only one factor. Has only one factor. It's 1. 1 times 1 equals 1, so the only factor is 1. So, those are special numbers. Those are neither prime nor composite. All right, not prime or composite. Now, if you come back, I'm going to give you some cheat codes that'll make this even easier to do. All right, so come on back. I'll see you soon.